Hey, so if you travel a lot or sometimes lose internet access, using Google Calendar offline can be super useful. Yeah, you can still check your schedule even without Wi-Fi. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Google Calendar offline step by step. All right, first, open Google Calendar using the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Now click the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and look for the offline option, then turn on offline calendar access. Google Calendar will save recent calendar data locally on your device for offline viewing. Give it a moment so your events and schedules fully sync before disconnecting from the internet. Now disconnect your internet and refresh the page to confirm Calendar still opens. Keep in mind, you can usually view events offline, but some editing or syncing features may be limited. On mobile devices, recent calendar events are often cached automatically for offline viewing. Once you reconnect to the internet, Google Calendar will sync your latest updates automatically. And yeah, that's it. With offline access enabled, you can still stay organized even when you're not connected to the internet.